have had freezing rain on top of snow, and it's almost impossible to shovel. Mark's trying to get out what he can out the driveway now. It's heavy going. The storm drain is blocked in the street, so we now have a lake outside, and the freezing rain continues to come down. Don't know if you can see it on the trees, but just in case you're wondering why we're done with winter, that's somebody finished shopping. There's just a few people out now. It's 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Whining will be out the roads. I've no idea. It's a nightmare. So there you go. That's what happens when you get rain on top of snow. We've got a guest coming tomorrow, otherwise we wouldn't have paid to have the driveway. I don't know if you can see that massive chunk of ice that's right there. That's part of the really big ice that they took away from our driveway. We couldn't get our car in. Our car's over this side, but as you can see, it's pretty heavy going. And there you go. So, winter in Nova Scotia, take 2. It's got to be over soon. And enjoy knowing that you're somewhere where you're not dealing with this right now.